Do you want a luxurious, comfortable life? I'm sure you want to. Are you planning to have your own venture? How do we take the first step? What are the things that you must take care of? How do we go about it? What are the challenges that you might face? So, and how do I promote myself? Because if people doesn't know who am I, what am I doing, forget about the earning. Nobody will even speak to you, isn't it? So you must promote your venture. You must promote yourself. But how do I go about it? What things can help me? Because this life is very short and we have very limited time, isn't it? It's like you can say one time offer. So we must utilize every moment. We must try to do something what we have not done till date. So, to help you with all this and a lot more, we are conducting a workshop